は皆さん。Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mori from the organization of Kansai Unity. As a representative from the organizing committee, it is my pleasure to address you. I'd like to thank you for attending this event amidst your busy schedule. Indeed, I'm very pleased that we can hold such a tourism promotion seminar here in Singapore due to your support. Well, first of all, I'd like to tell you about Kansai. I suppose all of you are familiar with the city names Osaka and Kyoto. Kansai is located in the central part of Japan. It comprises of 10 local governments, including Osaka and Kyoto, and the region has a total population of 23 million people. Next, what is the organization of Kansai Unity, or KU in short? It is a cooperation among the local governments and private enterprises in the Kansai region to promote and handle various major themes. Tourism is one of the important themes for the region and is being aggressively promoted through KU. Today's seminar is aligned with the Japanese national government's promotion for the Visit to Japan campaign. As such, we'd like to highlight the various sightseeing spots in Kansai. As you will hear later, Kansai is home to many world heritage and national treasures, embodying the main essence